shit. I was ready. I don't remember this part. Fucking deck. Stay on your motherfucking toes. We're running this. Let's go. I'm on a boat.
On a boat.
I'm on a boat. Everybody look at me, cause I'm standing on a boat. I'm on a boat.
The boat.
I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the motherfucking boat. I'm on a boat. Take a look at me. Straight floating on a boat on the deep blue sea. I'm busting 5'9", wind whipping at my coat. You can't stop me, motherfucker, cause I'm on a boat. I'm on a boat, bitch. We drinking Fantana champ, cause it's so crisp. Little chunks and my flippy flappies.
Flappies.
You at Kinko straight
Flipping copies.
On a dolphin, doing flips and shit. The dolphin's splashing, getting everybody all wet. But this ain't SeaWorld. This is real as it gets. I'm on a boat, motherfucker. Don't you ever forget. I'm on a boat and it's going fast. And I'm on a nautical theme, Pashmina Afghan. I'm the king of the world on a boat like Leo. If you own the show, then you show not me-o. Fuck up, this boat is real. Buoys. Whoops. Fuck buoys. Whoops.
Fuck
Motherfucker. The boat engine make noise, motherfucker.
Yeah.
Hey, Ma, if you can see me now. Said right on the starboard bow. Gonna fly this boat to the moon somehow. Like Kevin Garnett, anything is possible. Never thought I'd be on a boat. It's a big, long, watery road. Look at me, oh, oh. Never thought I'd see the day when a big boat coming my way. Listen to me when I say I fucked a mermaid.
Yeah.
Look at me, cause I'm standing on a boat. I'm on a boat.
Oh.
I'm on a boat. Take a good hard look at the motherfucking boat. Shorty, yeah. That's so soft. I can't laugh.